Look at the steering.
Yeah, steering clutches. Yeah. I'm gonna put it right there and see if we can turn it over.
Hey, listen.
That's close.
That's close. I believe we help it.
Yeah, let's help it.
Let's try it again, though. That was pretty close.
That's pretty close.
Look at that. Look at the smoke coming out of the stack.
All right.
I'll give you some help.
You're gonna get some help. I'm gonna take that air filter off. Or are you gonna spray while I crank her? Come on. Dang, at least you can get up in the tube.
There you go.
All right. Obviously, it ain't in gear because it didn't move. But I'm gonna get up on here. I just stuck that gear shift up my rear end. All right. So the clutch is in. You ready?
Yep.
You hit me. There.
That's awesome, dude.
It runs good. It really does.
I don't work. That's what this leaks.
Alright, I will tell you this. That fuel's older than a day.
What?
The fuel's older than a day.
Yeah.
Listen to it. It's not charging.
Dude, man, how about you?
How about you, buddy? Yeah, I think we'll get a seat on it. We gotta see if it'll move.
That way he gets grass cut.
Yeah, get my old Let me see if I can get off this without demanning myself. That is exciting. It's only 5,000 degrees out here, though.